Hey girls, for today's video I will pull off one bold and amazing makeup look. I prime my eyes, I prime my skin, and I don't have any concealer, any foundation on myself. I begin with this dark brown eye pencil. What it's really important that you apply this eye pencil inside. Just hold close to the line, don't go too much up. After you're done with that, you will take the dark blue eye shade and you will try to smudge it a little bit on the ends of on the third corner of your eyelid. To make this line even more harsh and more cleaner, you will take concealer and clean it up a little bit. Then you take blush and apply it on the highest point of your cheeks and a little bit on your chin. Since there is so much going on my eyes, I want to do nothing drastic on my lips. This would be my look for today. I am amazed how it turned out. Lips are just amazing. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but in person it looks really amazing. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!